Like, another thing that people need to bust through the brainwashing is this idea that, like, only doctors can diagnose. No, I can't use their terminology, and I can't use, like, their diagnostic, like, criterion and shit. But, like, I could definitely determine whether or not somebody is serpent-minded. I mean, you're gonna tell me that it's only... And then the other thing that people need to break through the brainwashing is this idea that only attorneys with law degrees could be the only people that even know or speak about the law. And it's like, no. For one, they use the federal rules of procedure, or they're supposed to, or they don't, or it's all trademarked law school shit that they use. But, like, does it look like I'm trying to use trademarked law school shit? No, obviously. And, like, does it ever look like I'm trying to pretend to be an attorney? No, obviously. And does it look like I'm ever trying, like, if you look up practicing law without a license, and I took a class at Liberty University and the paralegal and they taught me exactly what it means to, like, practice law without a license. And it really is, like, helping people fill out paperwork, okay? But you can't tell me that, like, they're not doing that at, like, DHS. You can't tell me that, like, clerks and, like whoever, like, I know people in my own little world who've been filling out fucking paperwork, and I guarantee you they had somebody that wasn't an attorney helping them, okay? You can't tell me that DHS isn't helping people fill out paperwork. You can't tell, or they're not telling them which ones to use and shit like that. You can't tell me that. They don't have a license. Anyway. But the idea that it's, like, somehow illegal for anybody without a law degree to even speak about the law. Like, do you want to live in a world where you have to go to law school to even, like, know or have, like, a grasp on your rights? Now, but then, it's like, I get it, okay? Because there's a law going on at the courts and shit that is probably, like, trademarked cronyist law school shit. Okay, I get that. That's why I'm making this. But this idea that even speaking about the law would be practicing law without a license, it's like, the law is way more ancient. Like, the law is way more ancient than law school. Okay? And I'm not trying to be an attorney. Why the fuck would I want to be an attorney? I always wanted to be a lawyer, not an attorney. You guys just don't know the difference.